Hello.
Greetings Honda customer, your car's service is due. When can I schedule your appointment?
My car has run very less and it's mostly used for city driving and it doesn't need service as of now.
Sir, your car has exceeded the time interval specified between services and it needs periodic maintenance. Please allow me to explain why.
Okay.
Sir, as per Honda's recommendation, periodic maintenance is based on distance or time. Service due every 5,000 km or after 3 months, whichever is earlier. Because engine running time is same for a car running in city or highway, but the distance covered in city will be lesser.
But my car is sometimes parked at home, so the wear and tear should be less only.
Let me tell you how your car is affected with time. Once poured engine oil loses its life with time. Engine oil loses its lubricating properties with age. AC filter capture moisture and dirt leading to bacterial growth. Air filter gets clogged reducing the fuel efficiency. Honda PM ensures that in addition to all the parts that need replacement are replaced.
Wow. I never thought my car will need attention even when not driven much. I will bring my car to the dealership first thing in the morning tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Happy driving.
Get your car serviced at Honda dealers at a nominal cost, and experience the joy of owning and driving a Honda.